for the catfish curry. I have green mango, shallot, onion, potato, and garlic. Thyme this baby up. Stir this through, and then we're gonna fry this about 2 to 3 minutes. I'll check it back. If most of this water dry out, then we can go for an extra 2 minutes or so if it didn't dry out, and you can continue from there. Stir this around, ensure that nothing burns. Right. Got this on a medium high heat. Alright. Alright. how the paste looking here. It's about 3-4 minutes in, and this is what the paste look like. See that? Almost all the water that was inside already dried out. So because it's fish curry, we can add the potatoes in. And the green mango. It might look big, but when it's finished, cooking through, alright, everything is gonna be nice and crushed, probably half the size. That's all of that goodness all over here. This is about 5 catfish that we caught. I'm gonna finish this here. I'll call one boys up to let them come and try some. Secret ingredient.
She only takes on certain kinds.
One taste of the rice, boy.
No, those kids over
One taste of the rice.
Let the tasting begin.
How much you want, buy 2 piece?
Dude, just let it rip.
Let it rip. Alright. I don't know how much you got on you.
Alright then, yeah. Put some
So raw.
stuff on that. I good to go.
Take your little green mango.
Yep. I'm in this.
Yeah, little green mango there. Put your little sorrel.
Alright, chef.
Yeah, this you, Adam.
Good. Alright.
Can't complain enough.
Definitely not complaining about this. Man, let's bring me something. If I could use to dive into this, cut into this. Alright.
So.
Alright. I'm gonna let you guys know the result of this. We'll be back.
And we got one more portion that is going to sample the food. Got my son here, he can sample it.
Alright, dude.
We got some the catfish curry. I see you see come back, Shane.
Alright. It's good. I enjoyed it. Spicy and everything.
Yeah. mixture complete. Why if I actually get a sample this? So. Here you go.
You want our hero to suddenly become the villain. That's your idea of it.
Adam just digging in, come on, Adam.
Oh, this is
What this? Not a satisfied customer. Bones and more bones. Like this.
fuzzy fish.
Bones and more bones.
Nice and soft, right? Fish soft.
I see you come back with gifts or lack thereof. Right? You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Right, I'm glad you enjoy it, sir. Yeah, boy, Adam for round 2. Hey, Danny,
Right.
you're missing out here, boy. You're missing out.
Alright, Danny. This one's for you. Alright, Danny, this one's for you.
Adam,
Roti.
Adam, do you want for you?
Roti. This one's for you, Danny.